Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Joe.
I am Shruti, and today we've got King.
King is in the
But is it
building. Okay.
but is it part of Gorilla Bunks? जो आज का गाना है.
I think so. Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
दो गाने हैं. He's released one after the other.
तो
Um,
हम भी one after another एक साथ ही कर लेते हैं और क्या?
why not?
हाँ.
I can't see the date. I don't know why. ठीक है, जब भी it was released basically this past week when you and I were not recording, and of course everyone decides to lose their shit. Guys, we don't record every day, and we don't record as soon as the artist drops a song. So disclaimer, note कर लो, कहीं लिखना है लिख लो. There's going to be a week to 10 days before you see our reaction. It could be earlier, it could be in one day if it happens, so happens. But it could
If
be as
stars
long as
align
1 week. Yeah.
and timing matches and ऐसा हो जाए
है
तो
ना?
हो भी सकता है.
सब planetary influences correct होंगे तो हो जाएगा, नहीं तो you will have to wait. So just patience रखा करो in life में. Okay, let's do it. First track is Cuckoo. Explicit it
Like
says.
okay. Cool.
Cuckoo. Featuring
Yeah.
Jazz and ASAP. AESAP. ESAP.
Okay.
ASAP.
Hmm.
Okay, let's do it. Chalo.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, play.
You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow. Pick up, come on, come on, come on. You're no follow, yeah. You're no follow, yeah. You're no follow. Pick up, come on, come on, come on. I say whoa, हवा आने दो. रातें हुई रंगीन, हौले झूमे मेरी soul. I say whoa, हुए पौने दो. मौसम बदला तब जब सूरज ढल के तारे करे glow. I know, baby तुझे चाहिए मेरा साथ और केड़ी लगे वो भी slow. No, 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 लोकी रहने दो. नजर चुराओ ना आँखों को कहने दो. कहने को बहुत कुछ लगू टिच बने सिक मारे हिट बेबी फोटो भी खिंचवारी जारी साथ क्लिक क्लिक मारे शोज छापे नोट नंबर 1 on the board. कोई घमंड नहीं वाला भले काम टॉप नॉच यारी रखी on the top. पानी बजे नॉन स्टॉप शैम्पेन पॉप इट अप. हंसी हुई चली रातें तो फिर उनमें कैसा खौफ. हम लूटे पूरी मौत बेअसर दिखा रोज ये जंगल जीते शिकार का भी शौक. You're no follow, you're no follow. Pick up, come. You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow.
Pedal bounce मेरे साथ में मैं जीतू दिल जब कलम पकड़ू हाथ में. आज डार्क स्किन मुंडा करे ग्लो है सीना चौड़ा जिंदगी में जीव शान से. ना कभी नजरें झुकाऊं ना बस यही है उसूल है उनको भी प्यार जो गए मुझे भूल. बूंद मराते ये पीछे आगे बनते हैं कूल. लोकी कर दे या गला अपा कर दे या रूल. बड़े जैक्स बड़ी सोच मुंडे रोज ले रे मौज. पूरा जोश नहीं होश हाई क्लास मेरे फ्लोज. जिन्ने भी थे तेज मेरे आगे आज सारे हुए स्लो. Oh no जहाँ पैर धरे शोर बंदे आम नहीं. एक के बाद एक हिट हल्का काम नहीं मैं फील में हूँ करो परेशान नहीं. हिट हूँ मैं पहले से बस अभी मेरा नाम नहीं.
You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow. Pick up, come. You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow. Pick up, come.
करा मैं फ्लाई हाई पर पैर रखा थले. दुनिया दी फील लेने राजा बैठा कले. जो वक्त पलटे जानी शेर का वो बच्चा ना तो मुंह तो है मुफ्त कुछ तो बोलेंगे ही तल्ले. आफत मचा दी मैंने जमाने से पूछ लो और पीछे कोई हाथ मेरे ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. अकेले निकला था मैं घर से एक सपना लेके. आज कोई ऐसा नहीं जो खड़ा मेरे साथ नहीं है. किंग्स क्लान फ्लो शॉरी गेट लो इंडस्ट्री किचन मेरे लगते कहनी अदा ना करो. No राजा जाने दो ये लड़के हैं हमारे इन्हें गाना गाने दो. कर दिया बाउंस लो भर दिया मैंने अकाउंट. लो आ रही फिर से एल्बम एक और कर दो सब में अनाउंस. ऐसे आसमां ज़मीं का मिले छोड़ नहीं. वैसे यार का तेरे भी कोई तोड़ नहीं.
You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow. You're no follow, you're no follow, you're no follow. Oh, new sound. Bitch.
What? Why?
Your new song तक तो सही था. No. Oh my god. Jojo.
वही last word था explicit part because I don't. Did you hear anything else? in the song? I don't.
No, like
Maybe.
zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Plus, I absolutely loved the flow of all three of them. Just the bass beat and uske upar jo flow thi, it was so happy. It was so like I pumped up because of the beat and the flow and the way these guys are. Lyrics bhi bahut अच्छे थे, but I can't get over the flow. What अच्छा ये listen, what is this going on? ये
Hmm.
Gorilla Bounce first half में this is like Kaya Palti in second half.
I'm telling you,
चल
at
क्या
the
रहा है?
first half, the man had some plans. Okay, the plans have all, I think, and now he's like, this is not working for me. Let's go back to the original King vibe, and now
Yeah,
he's come back
yeah,
and he's
yeah.
doing his thing. So what to say now? I mean, I don't know who these guys, Jazz and ASAP, are. Like, never heard them before, but damn,
Loving them, right?
they match.
Absolutely loving them. Yeah.
They match the vibe, the beat ka vibe, and they the flows they had, even the rhyming and the verses overall just
And so much screen presence and
yeah.
this complete vibe, like attitude to the core, which they are just exuding while singing. They are totally in their own zone and they are like, we're having fun. Abhi aa jao, chill karo, enjoy karo. No, 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 no.
Yeah. No,
Like,
because when the song started with "Yo No Follow," "Yo" means I, Spanish mein, so it means I don't
yeah,
follow.
yeah.
So I was like, oh, are Jazz and ASAP, like, are they Latin singers? Like, are they going to sing in Spanish
अरे
or
नहीं हमारा
something?
देसी मुंडा है ऐसा
Lekin,
कहते
but you know the whole like "Yo No Follow," you know,
हैं. Very nice.
worked, yaar. Very nice. वो एक line only you need to get sort of the vibe set and going.
Correct.
Um,
लेकिन यहाँ पे काफी कुछ था जो बेसिक हुक भी था उसके अंदर आई थिंक दे वर लाइक दीज you know they had these what I noticed were there were very distinct elements which they were back to back placing throughout, and while doing that then of course the lyrics were taking over and the flow of the lyrics was also you know governing the way the bass beat would be taken, but एक वो तीन जगह पे वो cut हो रहा था and every time that would follow one after another and that would just get the tempo going and how so for I was really loving that.
I'm
And I think
so-
from the word go, right from the first second, shuru hua tha, and it didn't let up right till the end.
Yeah. No, this song is a hit. It's a club hit. It's going to be major in all his gigs. He's going to get the
100%.
crowd on their feet every time he gets this song going. But I was going to say something and I'm trying to connect where is Cuckoo in this whole song.
They kept speaking after every verse. They kept going like you know how when you scream like crazy, you're crazy. Like similarly, they kept doing cuckoo, cuckoo, and then the other person would come in.
Did-
Like
did
jo
some-
back pay. Huh.
Did I completely miss that? What's going on with that?
I could hear it.
I was just
Like how normally ad-libs hote hain na, so यहाँ
Hmm.
ad-libs की जगह पे cuckoo cuckoo हो रहा था.
अच्छा. Interesting. I'm looking at the lyrics just because वो है
Yeah.
description box में, and the funny thing is they haven't written you know follow anywhere because it came in throughout the song and it's not there in the lyrics. So maybe I'm getting
Because
the
it's
right. Maybe
part of the music meter. That's why. So I think Cuckoo and you know Follow both were part of the music meter जो पीछे चल रहे थे. Like that's what it seemed like.
Good stuff, yaar. What else to say? Let's get to the next track. What is it
I
called?
know. I mean, oh yeah, we're listening to the second
one
one right
more.
away.
It's called now Desi Dan what is this?
Bilzerian?
Bilzerian. Who is
that a
Dan Bilzerian?
I don't know.
So yeah,
Not
it's a
figuring.
person because he's saying I'm the Desi Dan Bilzerian. So, but who is this human? Can we find out?
I don't know.
Listen, if we don't know who he is, we might not get what he's saying in the song.
Dan
Who is-
Bilzerian.
Google
There are
says
moments like this. I suddenly feel very lost in life. कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Am I too busy working? Do I not know दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है?
I
मुझे
know.
पता है, लेकिन ये कौन है?
We are in our own zone. Daniel Brandon Bilzerian is an American actor, businessman, amateur poker player, and social media influencer.
अच्छा.
From
पर उसने ऐसी
Tampa,
क्या तोप
Florida.
की कौन सी ऐसी तोप चीज की है कि King is
हाँ.
saying कि
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, his Wikipedia says his other name is Baby Legs. Is that his
Eh?
claim to fame? Oh, he went to my university. He went to the University of Florida. Interesting. It is unclear if he ever graduated.
maybe King will tell us. It's unclear whether he ever graduated. But I think maybe when we listen to the song, maybe King will tell us what's the Desi. Why
Oh,
he's
one
called
sec.
himself.
I'm seeing a
Ah.
personal life, blah blah blah, something. Okay, we don't know who he is. He's an actor, as far as we know. So
Okay. ठीक है.
Fine. Produced by Section 8. He's back. Oh, wait. Who did the beat for Cuckoo Man? Okay, wait. Produced by Dave. Sorry. We have to, shout out to Dave, man. Kill it. What a beat. ठीक है. Section 8 is back for this one, though. Desi Dan Bilzerian. Mix and master Shiv. Okay. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play. Hits from home.
I'm loving these hits from
Yeah. जो जानते नहीं उनको भी लगूं फेमिलियर बना मैं शक से नहीं बेशक करूंगा क्लियर मैं माल फूक के ना लिखूं ये बुद्धि तेज इतनी एल्बम में बना के फेंकूं एक बिलोना मिलियन मैं मौज काटू जैसे देसी डन बिल्जेरियन जो खाते खार साले बैठे आज पवेलियन कल ही शाम ऐसी बंदी से मिला था जिसका नाम पीछे कौर पर वाइब थी ब्राजीलियन खेले हम आग से और खेलते हम राग से ये बच्चे कितने भी बड़े बड़े ना बाप से मैं नाम राशि ऐसी रख के घूमता हूँ बंदे कहते नाम जीने का तरीका सीख याब से खुला खाना खुद कमाना खुल के जीना जिनसे मिलता सब हसीना जैसे घूमता बहारों में हाँ हूँ कमीना पर नगीना लेके घूमूं हर महीना पूरा साल जैसे जीता हूँ त्योहारों में हाँ थोड़ा पापी मैं गाली देता काफी पर जिंदगी में बढ़ने के लिए कभी न चाटी 3 बटन से बाहर छाती शाइन मारे प्राउड से और भाईचारा रखे न करते देख के हम जाती हल्ला काटे पूरा झुंड से डरा न करते करे फतेह पूरी अधूरी जंग लड़ा न करते आगाज मार दे अंजाम से जो पहले हम वो काले बेटा जिनके हाथ रोशनी धरा न करते खड़ा घमंड हुआ तो बात क्यों बैठाते हो कमजोर देख के ही हाथ क्यों उठाते हो अकेले मोड़ दी कलाई अफलातूनों की तो दुनिया हमसे कहती इतना कह के क्यों जताते हो जो राज रख ले ऐसा राज किससे राजी है मैं हार के भी जीता खेली ऐसी बाजी है ये सच पसंद नहीं तो कर लो अपने खाने बंद में धीरे धीरे फाड़ू बेटा कौन सी जल्दबाजी है आंखें बंद करके भी मैं देखूं दुनिया को ये दुनिया गैरों से भी ज्यादा अपनों से मरी हुई मुट्ठी खोल के मैं क्या हिलूंगा अपनों से जो अपनों की ही आंखें मेरे चेहरे से जली हुई मेरे हाथ दोनों बांध दोगे झूठे इल्जामों से तो मान लूंगा गैरों के तुम साथ हो मगर हर बात का जवाब देता है ये वक्त मेरी बातें कड़वी या तुम कितने दिल के साफ हो आज भी शिकन्ना माथे पर तुम देखोगे चाहे खड़ा अकेले चाहे कितने पीछे वार हो भले मंजूर ना हो दुश्मनों से हारना पर दिल के टुकड़े होते हैं जब दुश्मनों में यार हो एक दिन जब पता चलेगा सच तो पैर जमीन छोड़ देंगे आंखें खुद से रूठ जाएंगी हम तो बैठे होंगे पहुंच से भी दूर बेखबर तब जानी कड़वी ही ये बातें तुमको खाएंगी अपना क्या है हम तो बंदे ही हैं मोड़ के जहां मिलेगा प्यार हम वहीं पे दिल लुटाएंगे हमसे क्या ही पाओगे तुम दिल दुखा के हम तो इसकी भी नज़म बना के प्यार लूट जाएंगे 3 नशीते प्यारे एक और जुड़ गया है तरक्की कहती राजा मुझको लेके उड़ गया है कहती पकड़ में मैं ना आती अच्छे अच्छों के पर तुझ में ऐसा क्या है मेरा पूरा ध्यान मुड़ गया है अब कहती हार का जुआ भी जीतेगा मैं लिख के देती हूँ जमाना तेरे लिए रुक गया है अगर पता चले फर्क तो मर्ज कोसेगा मैं क्या ही दूं दवा तो खुद जहर जो पी के उठ गया है जो जानते नहीं उनको भी लगू फेमिलियर बना मैं शक से नहीं बेशक करूंगा क्लियर मैं माल फूक के ना लिखूं ये बुद्धि तेज इतनी एल्बम में बना के फेंकूं एक बिलोना मिलियन मैं मौज काटू जैसे देसी डन बिल्जेरियन जो खाते खार साले बैठे आज पवेलियन कल ही शाम ऐसी बंदी से मिला था जिसका नाम पीछे कौर पर वाइब थी ब्राजीलियन
फेवरेट लाइन है उसकी क्या ख्याल है आपका इस लाइन के बारे में
इस लाइन के बारे में क्या ख्याल हो सकता है मतलब ठीक है दैट्स हिज take about things but did you notice how was it just me or जो hook था that sounded like a song but जो verses थे because his flow was so smooth and the way he was going with it जैसे शेरो शायरी और जैसे कविताओं को बोलने के लिए
oh my god dude
right
lines think alike I kid you not I have only been thinking ये कवि सम्मेलन जैसा लग रहा है because I have grown up on Kavi Sammelans let me tell you so my dad has been organizing the Kavi Sammelan in this country for the last 30 years I kid you not
wow
so I've grown up on the Shire on you know the Kavis and the Shires who've come and performed and
spoken poetry type
sab like I've grown up on it so the whole time that he was going on in the song and the pauses and you know the slowing down and then the and then punchline till music stop वो
Yeah.
सब मुझे कवि सम्मेलन की याद दिलाया था. I was just like,
वैसा ही था. I think वही था. Like, you know, and distinctly hook के अंदर
I'm
it
shocked.
switched back to like a song and then verses went
Uh,
back.
I'm shocked that you felt the same. I'm literally
I
in
was
shock.
shocked you felt it.
Yeah.
Very nice,
Um,
Jojo. इसी बात पे ये तो बनता है आज. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, happened little bit.
oh, but yes.
हमारी
Um,
शिफ्ट चल रही है. हम खुद ही मजे
yes.
ले रहे हैं. Very good.
Yes. But no, I can't say this is one of my favorites because he dropped a lot of bars. Very nice.
Yeah.
Hots were there in the
Yeah.
verses, but I didn't love the flow at all. In fact, I felt it was going like he was not killing the beat for me. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll get into it in detail. But what did you feel about that?
So I felt that the flow, I kind of liked it because I'm not very, like, you know, in all the songs that we hear in hip hop
Hmm.
right now,
Hmm.
all of them are very musically inclined. So
Hmm.
here, if you and I both caught on to it, there is a very good chance that he intended to sound like that. And which is very different for the usual hip hop songs, the way they sound, right? So
Hmm.
because of that reason, I kind of enjoyed the flow. It did get a little monotonous because you're like, you know, वो same rhythm में same उस तरीके में जा रहा है. लेकिन that's also spoken poetry का जो form है, एक reason से वो वैसे कहा जाता है. You know,
वैसे
when you're trying to make a point and you're trying to drive home a discussion.
yeah.
And his lyrics were also very similar to that. The stuff that he was talking was also in balance with the rhythm which he was picking up. So in that sense, I really found the song very interesting. I
Hmm.
really liked the flow he picked up and the way it was, you know, expressed. Considering के video वही है, वही कमरा है, वही studio घर पे बना के record किया है, तो
Hmm.
बाकी सारे elements same थे, you know. And I, with all his previous songs which we've heard, I've
Hmm.
not heard him do something like this before.
Hmm.
So, which I kind of liked it. I kind of liked it. I wouldn't. You're right. I wouldn't say it's the best. Cuckoo, I think
Hmm.
so far is like top notch. Even the previous one that we heard, I don't remember the name. That was also very good. But this, I'm going to give it full props because of the experimentation that at least we are perceiving in it. अब उसने King ने
Shame.
intend किया था कि नहीं वो अलग बात है. Shame
Oh,
was
Sham
really good. Yeah,
with her
yeah,
just no, I agree with you. Shame and Cuckoo are my favorite.
yeah.
I'll tell you what, like I feel like this song is interesting, but I opened another article that said the rise and fall of Dan Bilzerian just because I need to know why he's famous.
Yeah.
So I see now why he's famous on Instagram. Little lavish lifestyle with the women and all that.
From the line, it sounded like he's a womanizer. Is
Huh.
that who he is? Because the
Yes.
line which King used,
I think
it's-
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so so for me, that is the negative brownie points right there. Because I mean, अगर वो आपके aspirational level is Dan Bilzerian, then थोड़ा I don't know, choose your idols, yeah. But I will just say that interesting
गाना
है.
कैसा लगा?
Interesting hai, just because he dropped some very nice philosophical bits that I really liked, in which I said,
Yeah.
yes, I like the, you know, his sort of uh, value,
Yeah.
his
Yeah.
the values he's bringing, but
Correct.
he went completely opposite in other lines. So I felt like it
Yeah.
was equal parts of what I liked and equal parts of what I didn't love.
Mm.
And
Mm.
for me, then it neutralized the whole thing. And I'm like, I don't think this is a song I care to listen to again because I've
Huh.
already sort of heard this flow
Yeah.
from King before, and
Right.
he didn't really murder that beat as much as
Mm.
I would have liked him to. And
Right.
you know, so ठीक था एक बार सुन लिया.
Mm. Correct.
Cuckoo is still the one
Cuckoo was
for
too
the
much.
day. हाँ.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
तो बस
Cuckoo was amazing.
अब लिखा है next is high Huku. the HIGH वाला high. और अभी उसे बोला कि he doesn't smoke because his दिमाग is तेज enough. So who knows what
Hi
high.
Huku.
Which
Hi Huku like Tabu and Sunil Shetty film. Hi Huku. वो गाना.
वो तो
that one.
HAI
We don't
था
know.
ना high
हाँ.
ये
हाँ, हाँ, वो तो
HIG
play
हाँ
है.
तो
Correct.
हाँ
हाँ.
so I'm just saying I don't know
You're
what
right.
high he's gonna talk about. So maybe
चलो,
heights
we
of
shall wait.
success. So yeah, let's see. Let's not overthink it. Chalo, next
Yes.
time milte hain. Hope you enjoyed this King's Clan and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.